Hello from a very sunny, hot Scotland. Never thought I'd say it, but it's actually too warm. But Bernard's complaining, it'll be raining soon enough. Hopefully the microphones are working this time. Wasn't the last time I went out. So let's just see if it's working. It's about 25, 26 degrees here. And as I'm moving, it's nice. Hope you're all enjoying the sunshine. And I haven't really seen any of these thunderstorms, thank goodness. But no doubt it'll come. For some reason, I don't know what it is about today, but there's an awful lot of traffic on the road. Oh, this is my favourite corner coming up. Well, one of my favourite corners. Not, I mean, I wouldn't say it's the favourite corner. But one of the many. And there are lots to enjoy up here. Unfortunately, I'm not going to enjoy it today because of these numpties and cars. Well, looks like it's free now, so let's go. Oh, didn't feel too good around there. That was weird. Banked it in, it sort of wobbled a bit. Maybe it's the road. Or maybe it was me that wasn't smooth enough. You've got to be nice and smooth with this old girl. Now you can fit through. Come on, you can fit through. Stay to the edge. Why they want to go through the middle of the road, it beats me. They're not that high. Nice. Anyway, I best turn you off now.